Hey guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to solve today's daily LeetCode problem, interval list intersection. So let's get started. In this problem, we are given two lists there, as you can see here, first list and second list. And each list contain two term, that is start I and end I, means starting position and end position, and we have to find the intersection between the two lists. It's similar as we can uh, do in our math intersection. So we have to find the intersections between the points. So let me start the coding, then I will make it all clear. As you can see, we have to find the intersection, so we have to return a 2D vector that contains the point of intersections. So I will make a vector that's 2D, let's say answer, and then I will, for iterating both our list, I will take two integer I and j, and then I will make a loop here, and I will run the loop till first dot size I will be less than first of size, and it should uh, the both condition will be true, then our code will be run, that is j will be less than the our second list size. Okay, so yeah, here we go. So now we have to check that I will find the minimum of, let me first explain you here. As you can see, let me explain through this example. Here our 0 to 2, the first point, it means our section will be from 0 to 2, and another in second list the starting section will be from 1 to 5. It means the in both the maximum of the starting point we have to take. As you can see, the maximum of 0 to 1, 0 and 1 is 1. Why we take that? Because as you can see, between after 1 the intersection will be happen. Why? Because 0 is here, from 0 to 1 there's only part in first list, but there's no part in second list. So we have to check it from after 1, because it started from 0 and our second list is started from 1, so we have to take the maximum of maximum of the starting point. As in another case here, from 5, as you can see, our section will start from 5 to 10 and it is from 8 to 12. So the intersection can be happen after the maximum point. As you can see, after 8, that is 8 to 10, our intersection will be here. So we have to take the maximum of the starting point. So it will be max of 0 and second least, that is here it will be 0 and 0, z and 0. Now what I will do is, we have to check the minimum of our endpoint. Why? Because after, as you can see here, from 2 to 5, what is the minimum here? It is 2, and after 2, first list will not contain a section, means there is a section break here. So our area, the intersection area will be till 2, because after 2 there is a break, and we will check that condition after in second case. But initially we will check that our minimum of endpoints. So I will take here the minimum of endpoint, that is first 1 and second sorry again j and 1 semicolon here semicolon here. Now what I will do is there's a case here that what will happen if let's say as you can see here from 5 to 10 is one section and here 8 to 12 will be the other section, and I will take here first that the maximum of the starting point. So what will be here the maximum 8, so we will take maximum as 8. Now I will check the minimum of our endpoint, that is 10 and 12. So what is the minimum here? 10. So I will take minimum 10. What will happen if our minimum, if here there's not 8, here it will be let's say here it is not 10, let's say here it is 7, then our minimum will be 7. Okay, so our section will be from 5 to 7 and another in second list it will be from 8 to 12. Then there's no intersection happen between these two sections. So we have to check that case, that if our maximum of both starting point, that is 8 here, and the minimum of end point, so we have to check the condition, that is if maximum is less than equals to minimum, then I will push our maximum and minimum point as intersection point to our vector. So here I will push max and min. So yeah, so why I check here condition, I hope it is clear to you all. So it will check that what if here, as you can give you example, if here it will be 7 except 10, then there's no intersection happen between 5 to 7 and 8 to 12 section. So yeah, I will check that condition here, and now I will increment our I and j. So for that the condition is if first list I1 is greater than second list j1, then I will increment just here j plus plus, else increment I. Yeah, so yeah, let's say here, let me just let I check here for I and then for j. Yeah, what I did here is I will check the condition, what if our second list, that let's say there's a big section here of in first list, that is from 0 to 25, suppose as example, and in second list there's a small sections like 1 to 5, 8 to 12, 15 to 24. Then I will first check the condition for 1 to 5 between 0 to 25 through these steps, maximum, minimum and all, and then push then the intersection into our answer vector. Then I will increment our j. Why? Because ith area is very large, that is from 0 to 25. Okay, and it suppose, and it will happen that the points like 1 to 5, 8 to 12, as you can, let's say this is will be the example, 8 to 12 and 15 to 25, these three intersection also present in our um, first list. So we have to just take that as an example. So yeah, 0 to 25, so we have to increment j, and if the second list have the larger area, like there may be possible that more than one section can be in that single section, so then we will increment I. So I hope that makes it clear. Then just return answer vector. Let's run the code. And let me explain this again. Here, as you can see, this case here. If you can see here also, there's a chance that our starting and end point will be equal, as you can see. Then also for that, if here 0 to 2 and 1 to 5, our end will be here from end will be 2. Then I will check here what will greater, that is first list I of 1. So here second list end point is greater. So I just increment I here, and then again I take these step, and then here 1 to 5, the maximum of 1 to 5 will be 5, and the minimum of 5 to 10 is also 5. So our answer will be here 5 comma 5 is the intersection, given intersection. Let me just have refresh this. I think it's internet. So yeah, this is our answer, and you can, and if you have any doubt, then do comment, and if you like this video, then do a like, and thanks for watching. Let me just show you here. So yeah, let's run the code. So it get accepted and then just submit it. So yeah, it gets submitted. So I hope you understand this solution, and if you have any doubt, then just comment it. Thank you for watching.